welcome to my class. Today we'll see one more problem on diagonal scale. So the question is like this: construct a scale to be used with a map, the scale of which is 1 centimeter is equal to 500 meters. The maximum length to be read is 5 kilometers. Mark on the scale a distance of 3.85 kilometers. So this problem comes under diagonal scale. So here the marking distance is 3.85 kilometers, right? So already I said in the diagonal scale we will have main scale and its immediate subscales. So in this case here 3 is a main scale, okay, 8 and 5 are its subscales, and it is another further subscale. Okay, so before going to start the problem, do like, share and subscribe my channel. So in the problem RF is not given, so RF representative fraction RF is equals to, he has given that 1 centimeter is equal to 500 meters. So RF, already we know that RF is equals to assumed length by actual length. Okay, so here assumed is 5 centimeters and the actual is 500 meters. So we can write this as 1 centimeter by 500 meters. So RF will become 1 centimeter by 500 meters. Okay, so we can convert this as 1 centimeter divided by 500 meters. Already we know conversions. 1 meter is equals to 10 decimeters. 1 decimeter is equals to 10 centimeters. So 500 meters into 10 decimeters into 10 centimeters. So we'll get RF as 1 by 50,000. RF we got as 1 by 50,000. Okay, next we need to calculate length of scale. So LS already we know the formula, representative fraction into maximum length or maximum distance. So already we got RF as 1 by 50,000 into, what is the maximum distance in the problem? 5 kilometers. Okay, so we can write this as 1 by 50,000 into 5 kilometers. So here again we have to go for conversions. 1 kilometer is equals to 10 hectometers. 1 hectometer is equals to 10 decameters. 1 decameter is equals to 10 meters. 1 meter is equals to 10 decimeters. 1 decimeter is equals to 10 centimeters. So in this problem we got the conversions from kilometer to centimeter. So all conversions are there in this problem. Okay, so we will write this as 1 kilometer is equal to 10 hectometers. 10 hectometers into 10 decameters into 10 meters into 10 decimeters into 10 centimeters. Okay, so from this we get LS as 10 centimeters. 10 centimeters. Okay, now we'll construct the scale. We have taken 10 centimeter line, right, and you take its height as 40 mm and form a scale. Right, so its length is 10 centimeters. 10 centimeters. Okay. So now you divide this into 5 equal parts. Why? Because in the problem maximum distance is 5 kilometers. So divide this into 5 equal parts by again same line divide method. Okay. So take any convenient radius and you go on cut this 1 and 5. Okay. So here it is 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash and 5 dash. Okay. Now you join 5 and the end point with your mini drafter and fix your drafter and go on draw all parallel lines 5 and 1. Okay. So now you draw vertical lines. So mention here 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is the main scale. It is in kilometers. Okay. So write it here. RF is equals to 1:50,000. Okay. Now already we have said in diagonal scales we have 3 scales, main scale and its immediate 2 subscales. So we will draw another subscale. Okay. So already marking distance is 3.85 kilometers. So already main scale kilometers we have drawn, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next we need to draw, this is 8 hectometers and this is 5 decameters. Okay, so its subscale should be hectometer. So 1 kilometer is equal to 10 hectometers. So divide this 1 kilometer into 10 equal parts again. One. So 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash, 7 dash, 8 dash, 9 dash and 10 dash. Now you join 10th point and 0. 10 point and 0 with the help of your mini drafter and fix the drafter and draw all equi-spaced parallel lines from all these intersection points. Right. So now you draw all diagonal lines. So here 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. So from 10 and corner point you fix your drafter and you draw a diagonal line, fix your drafter and move to the next point. Right. So I have done all diagonal lines. So this is its subscale. So this is hectometers. Hectometer. Again we need to draw its further subscale. So again draw another inclined line and again you divide this into 10 equal parts. Why? Because 1 hectometer is equals to 10 decameters. 10 decameters. So you cut 10 points. So we have divided this again into 10 equal parts. Now you join 10th point and corner point. Fix your drafter and move to the next point. So here also we have divided into 10 equal parts and we have mentioned 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Okay. Now you draw all horizontal lines from these points. From this. Okay. Now we need to mark 3.85 kilometers and here it is, its further subscale, that is decameters. Decameters. Now you mark a distance of 3 kilometers, right, and 8 hectometers, 5 decameters. So 8 hectometers is here, 8 and 5 decameters, just like graph plotting. Okay, so x-axis and y-axis. So similar fashion we have to take hectometers and decameters. So hectometers it is 8 and decameters it is 5. So we'll get the point here. So slowly you put a small round, okay, and from here you draw a vertical line and mention it as 3.85 kilometers. Okay, so this is the way to draw the diagonal scale. So with this we'll conclude the problem, and in the next class we'll see one more problem. Thank you.